Norms Tech channel here, and today I'm doing a review about Visible Wireless. So Visible Wireless has a promotion going on right now with the new iPhone SE. So if you guys switch to Visible and get the new iPhone SE, y'all guys can get a $200 virtual gift card. So if you guys get to the iPhone SE page on Visible, y'all guys will see it right there on top. Get $200 to spend almost anywhere. So click the details there. If you guys want to get my full video on the iPhone SE for Visible, I will have a link down below, and I'll also have a card on screen. So like I said, it's very important to check out the details. So you do have to be a new customer to get this deal here. Obviously this is for new customers only, of course. So current customers cannot get this deal here. So it's pretty much self-explanatory here. So you join Visible and create your account, transfer your number from an eligible carrier within 14 days of transaction, set up your SIM, and activate. After completing 3 full months of service payments, you will receive an email with a code to redeem your virtual gift card. So pretty simple as that. So you do have to make three monthly service payments, and then you'll get your virtual gift card via email with the code. So pretty cool there, and you guys can spend it almost anywhere. So read the fine print and stuff here. So this is for new customers only. So if you guys are looking to switch cards and you guys wanna get the new iPhone SE, y'all guys can get a $200 virtual gift card. The iPhone SE 64 gigabytes is $429, 128 gigs is $479, and then the 256 gigabyte iPhone SE is $579. So you will have to pay full retail price for this iPhone, of course, but you guys will get a $200 virtual gift card. So that is pretty cool. New customers only. You do have to put your number over Visible, so to keep that in mind. And so yeah, so if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. It will help me out a lot. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.